Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tanveer Fatma. In this topic, student will be able to explain origin of petroleum and natural gas, explain mining of petroleum, and student will be able to explain important fraction of petroleum. Petroleum. Most of the energy used today comes from a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are energy-rich substances formed from remains of organisms. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they were formed underground from the remains of once living organism. The name petroleum is derived from Latin words petra means rock, oleum means oil. It is also known as crude oil. It is a thick dark liquid composed mostly of hydrocarbons. Natural gas usually associated with petroleum deposits consists of methane. It also contains significant amounts of ethane, propane and butane. Origin of petroleum and natural gas. It is believed that petroleum was formed from organisms that lived hundreds of millions of years ago. Plants and animals in the seas died. Their remains piled up layers of sand, rock, and mud buried the dead organisms. Over time, in the absence of air, heat and pressure of sediments and bacterial effect changed the materials into dark brownish viscous liquid called petroleum. It is called crude oil. The gaseous products accumulated over the petroleum is called natural gas. Mining of petroleum. Petroleum is extracted by drilling holes into the earth crust where it is found. When drill is made through the rocks, natural gas comes out first with great pressure. After the gas pressure subsides, crude oil is extracted by pumps. Important fractions of petroleum. First of all, what is refining? The conversion of crude oil into the useful products are called refining. Now, what is fraction? These useful products are called fractions. Each fraction consists of mixture of hydrocarbons which boil in a certain range of temperature. Petroleum is refined by fractional distillation in a tall fractionating tower. Fractional distillation is the process of separating mixture on the basis of difference in boiling points. The crude oil is heated up to 400 degrees centigrade under high pressure in a furnace. Then it is passed through the fractional distillation column. This is a fractional distillation column. It's vaporized through the column. As hot vapor move up, they condense according to their boiling points into the various fractions. Compounds with highest boiling points condense first near the bottom. Compounds with lowest boiling points condense last near the top. Compounds which do not boil collect at the bottom as the residue. In this way, vapor condense gradually at different level according to their boiling points. Therefore, crude oil is separated into various fractions. Each fraction has its own specific boiling range and composition. This is the fractional distillation column, and these are the different fractions of petroleum. Number one is liquid petroleum gas. Number two is gasoline. Number three is kerosene. Number four is fuel oil. Number five is lubricating oil, and then residue, or we can say bitumen. Fractions of petroleum and their uses. Liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). Number of carbon atom per molecule is 1 to 4. Boiling point is below 20 degrees centigrade. It is used in the cylinder for cooking. Petrol, number of carbon atom per molecule is 5 to 10. Boiling point is between 35 to 70 degrees centigrade and it is used as fuel for motor cars and vehicles. Naphtha, number of carbon atom per molecule is 8 to 12. Boiling point is between 70 to 120 degrees centigrade. It is used as chemical feedstock for making drug, plastic and other chemicals. Kerosene, number of carbon atom per molecule is 10 to 16. Boiling point is 170 to 250 degrees centigrade. It is used as a fuel for jet planes, fuel for heating, lighting and cooking. Diesel, number of carbon atom per molecule is 14 to 20. Boiling point is between 270 to 340 degrees centigrade. It is used as a fuel for buses, trucks and trains. Lubricating oil, number of the carbon atom per molecule is 20 to 50. Boiling point is between 350 to 500 degrees centigrade. It is used as lubricant for machines, engines, waxes and polishes. Fuel oil, number of carbon atom per molecule is 50 to 70. Boiling point is 500 to 600 degrees centigrade. It is used as fuel for power station, factories and ships. Butane, number of carbon atom per molecule is more than 70. Boiling point is more than 500 degrees centigrade. It is used in paving roads, making roofing and materials. Dear student, this is self-assessment exercise 16.4. Question number 1, define petroleum. 2, list name of fraction obtained by fractional distillation of petroleum. Number 3, list one use of petroleum fraction. Number 4, how is petroleum obtained? You should solve this exercise in your copy.